There's one more thing to show you, how to display only the current feature at the atlas view. We need a column with numbers, so open the attribute table and create a new column. I call it ID. The name is important. Fill it, for example, with a row number by typing in add row underscore number. Save and close the attribute table. Double click on the layer and switch to symbology. Choose a rule-based style. Double click on the filter and choose a distinctive name. Add the filter, type in this expression. The expression is in the description below. The method attribute returns the value of the column ID of the current feature and compares it with the ID of the current atlas feature. So refresh the atlas view and it should work. I will style the layers a little bit. Go to the main window. I always wanted to use this style. Go to your atlas view, refresh again and lock the map 1. Choose a good representation for the overview. You can apply this view to other layers as well. I create a regular points layer on the polygon layer and join the attributes by location. The points need the same attribute as the below polygon. The column name of the ID of the points is ID underscore 2. Keep that in mind. Open the rule-based style and paste the same expression like at the polygons, but change the column name for the current feature. In this view, only the active atlas feature is visible also in the main window. To change this, open the layer properties and click on Add. Now all features are displayed again. You can switch it off and on with the control box. Now only the polygon and the points within the polygons are shown in every page.